Hello! To insert SIM card for your Xiaomi Poco X7, first of all you'll need to grab a pin like this from your box. It comes included with your phone, and also you need to locate your SIM tray, and it is located right here below. And as you can see, here is this little pinhole, and you have to carefully insert the pin into the hole and gently push it so it ejects like this. And right now you have to grab the SIM tray with your nails and simply take it out. Alright, right here we have our SIM tray, and let me quickly grab the SIM card. And with this bottom side of our SIM card, we have to insert it into this SIM tray, this bottom facing upwards, just like this. It might be a little bit tricky. Alright, it fits perfectly in here, and just like this, with your SIM inserted like this, you simply take your phone and put the SIM card with the also SIM 1 needs to be facing upwards, facing to the screen. The information is also showed on the SIM tray. As you can see, here we have the SIM 2. It needs to be facing downwards, so we have to insert this like that and push like this. Make sure that it is sitting here correctly, and basically that's how you do it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.